Good morning. We're going to continue solving multi-step inequalities, and today we're going to focus on variables on both sides of the inequality, and we are also going to graph our solutions. Everything here is very similar. Remember, distribute through the parentheses, combine like terms on the left side, combine like terms on the right side, and then collect variables on one side and constants on the other. Don't forget about flipping the sign if you need to, and then also your rules for graphing. Okay, let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and draw a line through our inequality symbol like we have been doing. We are going to distribute anything we can distribute. So I get negative 4a minus 24 plus 2a is less than 1 minus 7a. And if we look at the left side, I notice that I can combine some like terms there. I have negative 4a and positive 2a. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I get negative 2a minus 24 is less than, and on the right side I cannot combine those together, so I'm going to bring it straight down. Okay, we have our great wall here. I'm going to label. I want my letters on the left side and my numbers on the right side. So I need to move these a's, this negative 7a, to the other side. So I'm going to add 7a to both sides to get 5a minus 24 is less than, and I'm left with 1. Once I'm here, I need to continue. With what I'm doing now. Solve my two-step inequality. So I need to cancel that negative 24 by adding 24 to both sides. To get 5a is less than 25. And then my very last step is to divide by 5 on both sides. Notice that when I do that, 5 is positive, so I do not flip my sign. So I get a is less than 5. We are going to go ahead and graph that on the number line. I'm going to plot my 5. And put a couple numbers in on either side. Okay, we're going to do an open dot because it's not equal to, and then my arrow tells me I need to shade to the left. And that's it. Let's do the next one. Okay, again, drawing my line through the inequality sign, and then eliminating parentheses by distributing. So I'm going to do that. So 8 times a is 8a. 8 times 4 is 32. Negative 4 times a is negative 4a. Sorry, negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. And negative 1 times negative 6a is positive 6a. Remember, if there's not a number here, we can squeeze a 1 in. Now, I need to decide what side do I want my letters on, what side do I want my numbers on. I'm going to put actually, let's put our letters on the left side and our numbers on the right side. So I'm going to subtract 6a from both sides to get 2a plus 32 is greater than negative 4. And then we're going to solve from there. So subtract 32 from both sides to get 2a is greater than negative 36. And divide by 2 on both sides. Again, do not flip your sign because it wasn't a negative 2. We get a is greater than negative 18. So negative 18, negative 17, negative 16, struggling here. 19, negative 20. This one is an open dot, and we are shading to the right. Okay, there are 2 more. Go ahead and try those. Have them checked. Let us know if you need help. Otherwise, go on to the practice. Have a great day.